Hey everyone, I got a couple of things done today for this daily indie game dev. We're going to be digging into a little bit of Krita for Wednesday the 8th of July 2026. My name is Jan. If you've never watched this before, I like to make a little top-down adventure game about an elf going on an adventure. And there was a lot of tweaking I had to do on the data table for the branching storyline I've got going. As you can see right here, stuff just disappears. Things that are supposed to disappear do not disappear. So that was quite the ordeal, just tracking down exactly where things would go wrong in the game. But I had a couple of fixes I've thought up yesterday. For one, going into this whole data table, every line of conversation has a code, and I now add the code visible on screen in game. I'd rather spend the extra time at the end of the project scrubbing through all the data tables and deleting them. But for now, having added them, all of them, yesterday, means that when I do a play test and I see something straight away, I have the code immediately that I can just search in the data table. And that saves me so much time rather than going into the data table and thinking I know I can find it and then spending like 5 minutes every single time because I cannot find it. This has been a good solution. The other one is, as I just pointed out, is just recording playtests and watching them myself. It's very different from when you're actually playing them. It's good for the feel of it, for the controls, but for the storyline and just seeing the text come on and just watching it is a different experience. And now I just get to pause. Again, as you can see here, with Unreal Engine just positioned on the right, I can immediately hunt down the correct code in the data table and make corrections. The only mistake I made earlier today was when I first got started, I didn't update my notes version of the exact same conversation, which is important for when I'm on the go, so I can just work and edit on my phone and then add it in later. Of course, they do have to match. That is a main thing. It was quite a lot of work today, but I'm happy with what I got done. And if you're new here, I try and update as much as I can, preferably every day, on my little game. I find it very helpful to just have this structure every day where I want to have something to post. It's very motivating. Even though, of course, as you can see, if you go have a look at my videos for the whole month, progress can be slow sometimes. So sometimes it's the same subject for a couple of days. Making games is very laborious. I also had a go today and yesterday at another attempt very similar to other art apps, but just to get the flow of the work, switching between eraser and the brush is not E and B and E and B. You just have to tap on E. It's a very nice little improvement they made to the workflow. And there's some other things where, I managed to set up my own shortcuts, but some of them are still, I'm just going to have to get used to them. But overall, I'm glad how this piece came out. It's not, but I haven't drawn in a long time, so I'm pretty happy with just, sitting around drawing for an hour. It was good fun. Don't let my face fool you. All right, I'm gonna get going. If you guys have your own projects that you're working on and that you post on YouTube, post them down below. Leave a comment, a like, subscribe. I post regularly, and then I can catch up with any posts that you might have as well. So have a good one. Cheers.